Welcome to our facility. Today, I'll show you how pigs are raised in a modern farming system.
The automated feeding lines provide precise nutrition, while state-of-the-art ventilation systems ensure optimal air quality. This smooth aerial view highlights the efficiency of our modern facility, where climate control and automated feeding.
The automated feeders are working perfectly on this side.
Yes, and the climate control data looks optimal.
Our commitment to animal welfare begins with the environment. Automated systems precisely manage both the bedding and the climate controls.
We utilize the latest in climate control technology, ensuring the welfare of our Duroc herd in this pristine environment.
This centralized system allows us to monitor every pen.
And the ventilation keeps the air consistently fresh for the animals. Digital tracking allows us to monitor the health and welfare of every animal in real time. It ensures ethical and clean industrial agriculture.
These heat lamps provide essential warmth, ensuring the comfort and healthy growth of the young pigs in our care.
The automated water system activates precisely on schedule, delivering clean water to every pen throughout the facility.
These automated mixers ensure a precise blend of grains and nutrients for optimal animal health.
In this modern facility, automated mixers blend a precise diet, ensuring the health and well-being of our Yorkshire pigs.
We're seeing a slight dip in sector gamma's consumption.
I'll adjust the algorithm now to compensate.
The automated system ensures every animal gets a precise amount of high-quality feed in this stress-free environment.
As you can see, the pigs eat in perfect synchronization, a testament to our state-of-the-art ethical farming practices.
Quality control is essential. We ensure the pellets are perfectly formed and the scent is fresh.
This data ensures every animal receives precise nutrition, optimized for both health and sustainable growth. This facility represents the pinnacle of ethical, high-tech agriculture, ensuring both cleanliness and animal welfare.
We use the digital thermometer to ensure their temperature is stable. Then, we listen to the heart and lungs.
The automated weighing station uses laser scanning to monitor growth, ensuring optimal health and resource management.
This modern system allows us to maintain high ethical standards while ensuring efficiency. The pig's welfare is our top priority.
This automated platform allows us to precisely monitor the growth and health of the animals, minimizing stress during the process.
This state-of-the-art robotic system ensures the highest levels of hygiene, crucial for the well-being of the animals in this modern facility. Our commitment to ethical farming includes sophisticated climate control and automated systems, ensuring the comfort and health of our animals.
As you can see, the thermal cameras allow us to visualize the health of the pigs, ensuring their well-being in this modern facility.
Through advanced thermal imaging, we monitor the health of every animal in real time, ensuring a clean and ethical environment. Here at our facility, the pig's comfort is our top priority. We utilize advanced climate control to ensure a stress-free environment. By utilizing these precise automated sorting lanes, we maintain a low-stress environment while ensuring peak efficiency across the facility.
Using advanced RFID technology, our automated gates ensure seamless and stress-free movement for the animals.
We use these sorting boards to gently guide them. It keeps everyone calm during the transition.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures the safe and stress-free arrival of all livestock, maintaining the highest biosecurity standards.
As you can see on the board, our system tracks every aspect of the pig's environment, ensuring both ethical care and efficiency.
The new ventilation system maintains air quality while the automated feeders regulate precise intake.
Safety and efficiency are paramount here. The sealed transport units ensure the pigs travel in a climate-controlled environment. Welcome to the future of agriculture. This state-of-the-art facility utilizes the latest technology to ensure ethical, clean, and efficient pork production.
And that's how pigs are raised today, in troops, inside a modern farming system.